One of the easiest ways to upgrade the front end of your Spyder RT is with lighting that actually gets you noticed. And today, we're showing you a set that does exactly that. These are the TricFangz front LED running lights with integrated turn signals, designed for all 2020 and newer Spyder RT models. TricFangz mount to the front of the bike as bold accent lights, giving your RT an aggressive, unmistakable look while improving your visibility to oncoming traffic. Each strip is encased in smoke black tubing for a stealthy look when the lights are off. When you turn on the ignition, they operate as bright white daytime running lights, and when activated, they switch to amber turn signals, creating a high contrast effect that really stands out in traffic. Installation is plug and play, but before you begin, you'll need one of our accessory power harness kits installed. Once that harness is in place, you'll have a conveniently located power connector beneath the A-arms on both sides of the bike, making it simple to plug in lighting accessories like the TricFangz without cutting or tapping wires. Now let's get started with the install on our 2024 Spyder RT.
Before you begin, make sure your Spyder is parked on level ground with the ignition turned off and the parking brake engaged. Start by cleaning the surface area with an alcohol prep pad. Once the surface is dried, go over the same area with the included primer pad. Test fit the LED strip to familiarize yourself with the location where it will be mounted. Peel back a small section of the protective backing film on the strip and line it up with the bottom portion of the panel, pressing it down firmly into place. Continue working your way up the panel, leaving a small amount of slack in the LED strip so you have enough room to plug in your extension wire. Add a small dab of dielectric grease to one of the extension connectors from the kit and plug it into your LED strip. Then route the extension wire through this crevice and toward your A-arm as shown. Once the wire is routed, you can fully adhere the remainder of the LED strip. Next, add a small amount of dielectric grease to the single end of this Y-harness from your accessory power harness kit and plug it into the previously installed portion of the power harness located underneath the A-arms. Apply a small dab of dielectric grease to the 3-pin connector on the Y-harness and plug in the blinker module from the power harness kit. Again, add another small dab of dielectric grease to the opposite end of the blinker module before plugging it into the extension harness coming from your LED strip. Now you can turn on your ignition to test the running light and turn signal functionality. If everything looks good, secure the wiring with zip ties and route it safely away from any and all moving parts. Then simply repeat the same process on the opposite side of the vehicle.
Once installed, the difference is hard to miss. You get a sharper, more aggressive front end, better visibility to oncoming motorists, and turn signals that demand attention. If you're ready to upgrade your Spyder RT with the TricFangz front LED running lights, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.